Hello everyone, welcome back mga Rocket to another Rocket Serie content, and it's me again, Chris from the Rocket Core channel. So we're down to our last box of the OP15 and the 7th box that we will open for today. So tapos na yung work natin, kaya balik muna tayo dito sa pag-open ng box. So usually baka later I'll post the video right away. Hindi na ako masyado mag-edit kung ano na lang default doon na yun. So, stay tuned kung ano yung makukuha natin dito. Ayan, sa OP15. I-open natin siya in all at once. Diba? Ganun lang kadali, guys. So, this box came from... Saan ba ito galing? Toy Kingdom yata ito. Ayan. So, we're gonna open this box right now. This box is composed of 24 packs inside. Ayan. 24. I-open natin sila all at once. So, gusto nyo ba i-try yung paisa-isa? Huwag na lang siguro. Matagal. Okay, so we're down to our last box. Yung huli natin nakuha was an NL na SP. Diba? Ang ganda ng itsura. Promise. So, yun. Tapos may mga NLs na rin tayo na cards. Ready na tayo to trade to someone kung may interested. Ayan. Just drop your comment here in my video. Ayan. If you're interested in the cards that you've seen, and just message me. Diba? I might sell them for some. Ayan. For some of the players that I know. Ayan. Or pwede naman din na trade tayo ng something that may eye catches. Diba? Ayun. So, after this, I might be vlogging for the OP13 naman. Diba? So, inubos ko lang yung OP15 because this is the latest trading card games of the One Piece. So, inopen lang muna natin sila lahat para lang makita rin natin kung ano yung mga laman inside. So, I already opened the 12 packs. Ito na lahat sila. So, i-drop ko na lang dito ulit sa table ko para mas madali kaysa sa hand ko. Nahihirapan kasi ako kapag sa hand ko nilalagay. Compare it sa table, dinadrop ko na lang siya. Okay, and then just gonna hold it. Ganito mag-open yung mga big time na vloggers. Pero hindi po tayo big time. Okay, so ito na po lahat yun. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. Kung may something dyan. So, hatiin mo natin siya dun sa first part and then sa yung half part. Ayan. So, sabi ko nga guys, di ba, I always told you na palaging may something dun sa mga first part ng cards. Ayan. Well, parang mostly naman ang nangyayari is ganun. Nasa yung hati dito. Nasa diba? Palagi tayo nakakuha ng magagandang mga cards doon sa first half compared doon sa second half. Diba? So, ito. Ulitin natin. Tingnan natin. Itong ipapakita ko sa inyo was the first half ng mga packs ng 24. So, again, kung may makita man kayong kaka-open lang, just grab the first 12 and I guess hindi kayo magsisisi doon. Okay? Let's see kung tama pa din. Na from the first 12, nandoon lahat ng magaganda. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rare. Ayan. So, first rare. First pack, rare. Second, SR. Ayan. SR card. Leader card yun ah. A rare card for the third pack. A rare card again for the fourth pack. rare card for the 5th pack. And another rare card for the 6th pack. Another rare card. Ay, lumagpas yata ako. Sorry. Another rare card ulit. Then, another rare card for the 6th, 7th pack ba yan? Nawala na guys. Ayan. Rare card ulit. Rare card ulit. Rare card ulit. Okay, so mukhang this time, isa pa lang yung nakukuha natin. Rare card ulit. Nako. Ang mali tayo dito sa box na to ah. Mukhang nasa second half yung magaganda ah. Okay, so another Luffy na SEC. Ayan. Meron na tayo nito from the other box. Hopefully, we'll get another good shot here. An SR, NL, SEC plus SR. Ayan. Well, on the first 12 siguro, nandun naman yung SEC. So, maganda pa rin. Diba? So, you get 2 SRs and 1 SEC if you get the first 12 packs doon sa opened na booster box, di ba? So, I guess tama pa din. If you go there, nakita mo na kaka-open lang, you grab the first 12. That's what I'm saying. Kasi, nandun lahat ng magaganda pa din. Tama mo, nakuha natin yung SEC. Dawn card. Rare. Rare. SR. Nami. Ayan. I guess we're waiting for another SR na lang. And then, we're done here. Nakuha natin yung SEC eh. Sorry, I'm skipping na. Leader card, NL. Diba? Rare card. Another SR. Ayan. So, since nakuha na natin yung remaining na SR, I guess wala na tayong makukuha dito. Diba? Ayan. Wala na nga guys. So, wala ring God pack for today. Ito na yun. The last card is actually a rare card. So, yun lang. Yung mga comment ko lang guys, it's always in the first 12 packs. So, kung may makita kayong bagong open na OP15 na box, just grab the first 12. Yun lang yung ma-recommend ko. Kasi nandun lahat ng maganda. Ngayon, kung wala pa din doon sa first 12, siguro, add ka pa ng 3. Pero malabong napupunta siya palagi doon sa last part. Guaranteed yan. So, rare na yung lumabas dito eh. So, kung bibilangin mo siya, moving back, halos mga 7 to 8 rares before we reach out doon sa SEC. Mga ganon. So, yun lang guys. I think we have opened all of the OP15 and then yun lang yung mga nakuha natin na cards. So, wala tayong nakuha ang manga today. Wala rin tayong nakuha ang God pack. But again, we're still lucky that we have an SP and a lot of NL cards. Ayun. Okay, so for more videos like this and of opening One Piece packs or rippings of cards, please always like and subscribe to my channel. Ayan. Again, this is Chris of the Racket Core. See you on my next episode, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.